Okay, let's get the machine set up for free motion stitching. I want my free motion foot on here. And I also want to make sure that I have a good new needle, because you don't want any burrs going and catching anything. It'll cause you to skip stitches and it'll look like crud. I went ahead and I'm using a 30 weight, but quite often it depends upon what I'm working on. If I want to do something really defined, then I will go up to a 12 weight. You need to make sure you're using the right needle for what you're doing. Now, the other thing I need to do is I'm going to go into my machine and I need to set it for free motion. I'm working with a Brother Innovis VM 6200D. You probably have a different machine. I'm going in here to make sure that it knows it needs to be in free motion mode so that my feed dogs are down. I don't want my feed dogs to be interfering with the way I'm moving my fabric. The next thing I want to do is I like to stitch with my needle centered. So I'm going to press the button to center my needle in right the center. Hello. So now I am ready. It doesn't matter what your length is, and it doesn't matter about anything else, because you determine what your stitch length and how your speed and everything else is. So now that I have this ready to go, we'll move on to the next step.